Blue Smoke, how does some smoked wings with Alabama white barbecue sauce sound? Way good, bro. Faux show. Let's make them. Start off by seasoning the chicken with Sergio seasoning from Golden Steer in Vegas. Got some wings on a cold Rectex smoker and turned it on at 400 degrees. Set the timer for 30 minutes. Once that timer goes off, flip the wings and set for another 15-minute timer. Flip one more time and set another 15-minute timer. After that timer goes off, should be 1 hour total, and you got some beautiful looking wings. Blue Smoke went wingy. Hit them with a little bit more of that Sergio's, then it's time for some homemade sauce. Recipe in the comments. They look so freaking good. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Alabama white sauce wing. Smoked on the Rectex. Cheers. That is delicious. Way good, bro.